Hello guys, in this video we want to see about 12 ways to hack proof your smartphone. Your phone will be hacked or not, we will check it out. So let's go it. So before that you want to subscribe to our channel and please click on the bell button to get more videos. Thank you. Number one, keep update your devices and don't open up holes yourself. So please updating yourself day by day and strongly advise against using unofficial tools to root your phone. So that's why I can use this and include snooping on your personal data. So be careful with it. Number two, be careful of what you install in your device. When you install a smartphone app, you may be asked to grant it various permissions, including ability to read your files, access your camera, and listen into your microphones. I would strongly recommend against installing anything from an unfamiliar website. Number three, review what's already on your phone. In Android, the phishing attack will be possible on your device. So entering a password into untrusted app or web page, it will be directly attacked your device. So go to the setting privacy and be careful with it. Number four, set password better than others, but smart unlock features which automatically unlock your phone when you are at home. When your smartwatch is near, this could let that bypass your unlock code together. So be careful with smart unlock features. Number five, be prepared to track and lock your phone. Don't forget that both Apple and Google operate Find My Device and locate your phone on a map. It's very useful for it against hacker. Number six, don't leave online services unlocked. Auto login is very convenient feature, but it is dangerous. Hackers regularly break into online services to steal user credentials, which they then try out on other sites. So don't use the same password for more than other each websites. Number seven, personal information not shared to anyone. It advice so far it's very difficult for anyone to get into your phone. So major have been pulled off without any access to the victim at all. Can find out some examples. Your date of birth, your hometown, on mother's maiden name. All stuffs all be getted from Facebook to attack you. So be safety with it. Number six, be aware with the open Wi-Fi. You are all doubtful about a wireless network connect. Stick with your mobile's internet connection or use a VPN tool such as CipherGhost or TunnelBear used for Android and iOS also. So that means the tools route your traffic through a private encrypted channel. So you don't worry about it. So aware with the Wi-Fi. So number nine, don't let lock screen notification give the game away. So, but past hacks have let intruders use Siri to unlock the device. So this is very secure, but it is so dangerous for the user cannot alert with this. So number 10, lock individual apps. Be secure with a strong password put onto your phone. So keep an eye on things behind the scene. To refuse to install any apps or to visit any website, you can do the device security. That is nothing but using a lockdog. It's available for both Android and iOS to monitor your identity on sites such as email, Dropbox, Facebook, etc. So be alert with this. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get more videos and to be alert with the hackers. Thank you.